I enjoy working here in the countryside because it's a very good environment for doing sports, swimming, biking, hiking. And I personally like it because I can go with my e-bike 20 kilometers, a good distance to travel. Since I'm more than 25 years within Trafag, it's difficult to compare the inside from competitors or from different companies, but I think we're a family company. If you have the right occasion, a good technology, a good team spirit, then these are, let's say, prerequisites for success. Trafag consists of nearly 400 people worldwide. We have a headquarters here in Rubicon where around half of the people are working mainly in research, development, but also in production. So we produce all the electronic elements here.
One of the key elements is to have few hierarchical levels, and also we work together. We try to be teams, we work as teams, and we have respect for every employee.
The culture we are working with, we rely on the people's motivation, on the people's skills, and also on the teamwork, how they are working together.
Good morning, Vincent.
We do not make rule and command from the top position, but rely more on, let's say, theoretically self-organizing teams.
We have to cope with companies which are much bigger, and we have to play in the same league. So we have a very high level of proficiency, but still the flexibility and agility of a small company, and this is a great mixture.
We are producing sensors and control instruments that are used mainly in heavy industry, but not only. They are also used for controlling and monitoring pressures, densities, temperatures. We have always been the trendsetter, for example, for the high voltage industry. In there, they are building switch gears which have to be gas insulated for safety and security reasons. Also recently, we found our way into the e-bike industry. It's a complete different industry. And there we have gained within some years a remarkable market share, and we want to expand that. And at least we want to also be the market leader in that segment. Trafag's sensors are necessary because the machines and aggregates are built sometimes for lifetime, and the sensors that are needed to control the power, the performance of these machines, normally they are not exchanged. So a lifetime expectancy for our sensors is 10 up to 20 years, depending on the type. So this reliable performance we are able to deliver is our USP.
Hallo, Dieter.
Servus, grüß dich, wie geht's?
Grüß dich. Super, danke dir.
Funktioniert es mit den neuen Zellen?
Ja, das läuft super. Wir haben jetzt neue Werkzeuge eingefahren. Standzeiten sind erheblich besser geworden. Ja, genau.
We can work out long-term plans. I mean, we can design our own ASICs, our own chips. We can develop our own technology till it is proven for market.
It's pretty unusual to have a own ASIC design within a small company. But for us, it's important to have a small chip because our sensors, they have just a few space within. So for us, it's important to have a very small piece where the whole electronic is implemented.
We control the supply chain of our key components, and this gives us on the market a good position. This is very important in order to meet top quality.
Oh, geht die Maschine jetzt? Funktioniert sie? Sehr gut, danke.
Trafag lebt das Lean-Management, redet nicht nur darüber. Wir haben wirklich extrem viel Know-how in der Trafag. Wenn was schnell passieren muss, dann schaffen wir das in der Trafag.
Ich habe schon gehört. Ja. Und dann in der Nacht, oder? Vor allem.
Wir hatten irgendeine Kundenbestellung, wo sofort raus musste. Und da haben wirklich alle Abteilungsmitglieder daran gearbeitet, dass dieses Stück innerhalb von einer Stunde Trafag verlassen konnte. Also komplett, vom Aufbau bis zur Verpackung, also bis zur Lieferung. Das ging in einer Stunde. Das war wirklich ein schönes Erlebnis, weil da habe ich gemerkt, okay, wenn es drauf ankommt, dann setzen wir alle das gleiche Kraft, um das Ziel zu erreichen.
Asia is very important for us and has always been. So we, as the shipbuilding industry went to Korea in the 70s, we had one of our first joint ventures there. And in the meanwhile, Asia has grown dramatically by the rise of China. So we have dozens of important customers there. I think company culture is central for success because, the company is nothing without their workers and without functioning teams. And the problems we have to solve are much more complex than in the past.
The shop floor is a good tool to see how people feel. Where are the problems? How are the people? We have a great opportunity here to create new ideas, and it's not so everything in processes.
Freedom for the employees is very much important because it creates creativity for solving the complex problems we are facing, and there has to be some room for improvement, room for creating something new, creating something innovative. And if you are on an order and control loop, then creativity mostly is suppressed.
Die sportlichen Aktivitäten, das schweißt einem auch zusammen. Ne? So lernt man die Leute noch von einer anderen Seite kennen. Ne? Hat man nicht nur das Geschäftliche, sondern kann auch mal privat die Person besser kennenlernen. Ne? Das ist das Schöne.
I love my team, and I think with this organization of 200 people here in Rubicon, you have the chance of everyone, and everyone knows you, obviously. And this interaction I really enjoy, and I think we have some dynamics, and I think it's a good team. Yeah? We are winning together, we are losing together. That's not a question. We always stay close to each other.
Jeder wird hier genau gleich behandelt. Da kommt es nicht darauf an, was für eine Position du bist.
The people are open to think and open to get new ideas. And if you have a new idea, the management is listening and give a feedback. So this is very special.
Trafag is a company which in its DNA has this striving for perfection in its product. And we want to make things which are already very good even better.
We are ambitious, we work together, we have a very friendly culture. We do respect each other, and we hope that we can achieve our goals and the mission and vision we have set, which is to be a technological leader in the market fields.